In a world where self-care is more essential than ever, let's talk about something that's often misunderstood: Brazilian waxing. But not in the way you might think. This isn't about following beauty trends, it's about feeling empowered in your own skin. Self-care means showing up for yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. And yes, for some, that includes waxing. Brazilian waxing, when chosen mindfully, can be a powerful act of self-love, not for anyone else, but for you. We live in a world flooded with unrealistic beauty expectations: smooth skin, perfect bodies, flawless everything. But here's the truth: body hair or no body hair, your body is already enough. Your worth isn't defined by trends, it's defined by how you feel about you. Choosing to wax or not to is deeply personal. It's not about pressure or fitting in. It's about comfort, confidence, choice. And whichever path you take, remember your body, your rules. So thinking of waxing, well, start by choosing a licensed, experienced professional who really prioritizes hygiene and clear communication. Let them know your preferences. Seriously, your comfort should always come first. This experience should empower you, not stress you. No matter what you choose, remember this: you are whole. You are worthy. You are beautiful. Celebrate your uniqueness. Embrace your body. Love it just as it is. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your journey to confidence starts with a single act of self-love.